This is BugOut BootCamp Survival Guide, a place for new coding bootcamp students to organize all their resources and take notes to their Google Drive. We'll sign in using a test user. Alright, and this is BugOut. You can see here in the center of the screen, our main feature is a code editor where you can take notes and save them, update or delete them to their Google Drive. Below is a section for tips and tricks. All of this changes based on the language that you want to use: HTML, CSS, SQL, Shell, Python, or JavaScript. The language-specific resources change as well to some of the most popular resources to get you started in each language. There's also a Just Check-In In form where you can rate your comfortability with each language and take notes for yourself on what you want to work on next. This will populate in the bottom right-hand corner so that next time you log in, you remember what you want to work on next. Over here on the right is specific resources for each coding bootcamp. Since I was a part of digital crafts, that's what we shaped it around, but this can be used for any bootcamp out there, and it has easy accessible links to the most used resources for each class, such as the Zoom room, your learning portal, class recordings, things of that nature. I'll go ahead and demonstrate the code editor and how that works. It does feature syntax highlighting, and it will highlight in red if you have an error in your syntax as well. So let's title this snippet and we'll save it to our drive. We get a little message there, and let's go and make sure that was saved. And here it was. Hello world. Looks like we have a typo there, so let's go back here and fix that. Alright, and we'll keep it the same, and we want to update this file. We find it here, that's the one, and our file has been updated. Let's just go and confirm that. And here we go, console log hello world. Since this is saved as a .js file, we can download and open this up straight in our Visual Studio Code to start working on our code snippets there, or you can simply copy and paste and put it in your Visual Studio Code. If we want to delete that file, since it didn't have much, we can do that there, and our file has been deleted. So this is a really great way to keep up with important code snippets, solutions to algorithms, things that you don't want to get lost in your Slack channel or deep in your Visual Studio Code folders where you can't remember what went where. So this could be a really useful resource for students. We also have a job board to encourage students to start looking for their job as soon as they can, because the more time you have to apply, the better you are. It automatically populates in Atlanta, since that is where the digital crafts bootcamp, one of their hubs, is here. But let's try out software engineer in New York. Say you're wanting to relocate to a big city. And here we go. We have all the different software engineer jobs in New York, and you can visit each job listing, where it was originally posted, if you want to apply. And we can go back here and go home, and that is BugOut in a nutshell. A great one-stop shop for taking notes, resources, just overall organization that is highly needed in a stressful, fast-paced environment such as a coding bootcamp. Thank you for watching, and if you want to watch the entire team walkthrough for this project, including walking through code, that is linked below. Thank you.